So what is happening is, let me explain. The jet aeroplane burns fuel. As a result, it produces a lot of hot gases at a very fast pace. So these hot gases are pushed out from the engine jets. They can be at the back of the plane. They can be on the under the wings also. Okay, these
Yes,
jet engines
sir.
can be under the wings or at the back of the plane, from where it gives out hot gases which come out with great force. This force is being applied by the jet on the gases. Now, according to the third law of motion, the gases will apply equal and opposite force on the jet. As a result, jet will be pushed forward. This is the concept.